How to post Instagram story without losing quality. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of uploading Instagram story only to see them come out blurry and pixelated? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to walk you through simple and effective fix to make sure your stories always upload in the highest quality. It's quick and easy process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, what you're going to do is just open your Instagram app and head over to your settings and privacy menu. To get there, you simply have to tap over the profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then once you are in your profile, simply click on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner. Once you are in the settings menu, you will notice a search bar at the top. Tap on it and type the word quality. And the Instagram will show you the option for data uses and media quality. You need to simply tap on it. Now the Instagram will prompt you to the page where you can see the two toggling options, one data saver, two upload at highest quality. You need to simply toggle on the upload at highest quality option. Now, what this does is tell Instagram to upload your stories in the best possible resolution, even if it takes a longer time. But keep in mind that this setting might use slightly more data if you are not connected to Wi-Fi. But the improvement in the quality is absolutely worth it. If you are already on Wi-Fi, you won't notice a difference in speed, but you will notice how much sharper your stories look. So why does these settings matter? When this option is turned off, Instagram automatically compresses your uploads to save data and upload faster. Unfortunately, that compression isn't what causes your story to look blurry and pixelated. By turning on upload at highest quality, you are essentially telling Instagram no shortcuts. I want my story to look perfect. And trust me, it makes a huge difference. Before you go, here are some couple bonus tips to make sure your stories look even better. Use the Instagram recommended dimension. Always create your stories with recommended pixels and aspect ratio. This ensures Instagram doesn't resize them, which could lower the quality. Tip number 2, record in higher resolution. Make sure that your camera settings are set to 4K. The better your original content, the better it will look after uploading. And last tip, don't overdo it with the filters or effect, as these can sometimes degrade quality. Use apps like InShot or Lightroom to edit while preserving the resolution. And that's it. Once you have turned on the upload at highest quality and follow these tips, you will never have to worry about the blurry Instagram stories again. So go ahead and give it a try. Your followers will definitely notice the difference. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.